गिबियावनो नोंथांमोनखौ आंनि गासै बोसोनगार इउटुब चेनेल बरायनाय जाहैबाय। दिनै आं मोनसे जायगायाव दंफैयो। बे जायगाखौनो आं दिन्थिनो नाजागोन। दानिया भिडिअखौ नायलांदो। दाना नायदो।
बेखौ गानाथ'
प्रग्रामा जाथ'वाखै। प्रग्रामखौ दान्दिसे समनि उनाव जागायसिगोन। नै जोंना आलासि बिथांमोना सफैबायानो होनजासै। ओमफ्राय नै बरायनो लामायाव थाग थियारि जाना दं जोंना बिनानावफ्रा। मोसानो रेडि जाना दं जोंना नै बिनानावमोना।
Ribbon cutting is over. Now is a very important program.
Ribbon with the scissors.
Very much, Father. Arunai. Secondly, we have a very important guest, Father George Thomas. One is standing here, taking photo. He is Father George Thomas, and presently he is working in the United States of America, USA. And Father has also contributed a lot for the building of the school. And लोगोसे जोंनि मानगोनां खुदिराम पोएम फैनानैहाय जोंनि मानगोनां आलासिखौहाय गाननो थाखाय खावलायनाय जादों। सिगाङाव फैगोन अननानै। आखाइ हमनानै लोगोसे
गोजौ गोजौ जायोलै एसे मानसिफ्रा। दासो लागा दख'ना गानहोदों आरोना।
आर'नाइ गानहोदों मानसिबाव Thank you very much. And you are looking very wonderful. You are looking very beautiful, ma'am. So.
Oh my God.
Yes, it's looking nice. Now, mari menang tudira kuhaya ni jeni alasi dua kim close. Itu hai jeni aron nai jen hai are pojum bor ini thake kau lain jadeng. God, aron itu kan aron kan sih. Mr. Kuwahin jauh saliba, Mr. and Mrs. Close. Mr. and Mrs. Close. So, terpera foto lagi lakade tu tadi.
And parents who are here. It fills us with great joy to be here in Panbari. The first time when we came to Panbari, it was 2017, and there was no school here. 1 year later, only the foundation stone was laid. Now, 2 years later, first floor from the school was there. But it was not big enough for all the children to go to school. And now we are very happy that we need to be able to be present at the inauguration of the extension. It fills us with great joy to be here and celebrate this inauguration with you together. Education is very important for your life, and it is very good that you go to school and to learn. And Father Kabu said English is very important. When you learn English, the next